At the gate of the temple called Beautiful, a man sat begging. He had been lame from birth, carried there every single day, watching worshippers walk past him, while his life stayed the same. Then Peter and John arrived. The man expected coins, a few drops of kindness, maybe enough to survive another day. But Peter stopped. He looked directly at him and said, "Look at us." The crowd slowed. The moment paused. Then Peter spoke words that still echo through history. "Silver and gold I do not have, but what I have I give you. In the name of Jesus Christ of Nazareth, walk." Peter reached out his hand. Immediately, strength rushed into the man's feet and ankles. Bones that had never held weight suddenly stood firm. Muscles that had never walked came alive. He didn't just stand. He leapt. He walked. He praised God. The man who had been ignored for years entered the temple for the first time, not crawling, not begging, but rejoicing. The people were stunned. They recognized him, the same man, the same gait, but a completely different life. Peter quickly corrected them. "This is not by our power or holiness. This happened by faith in the name of Jesus." This miracle was more than healing legs. It was proof that Jesus was still working. Even after the cross, even after the resurrection, even after the ascension. And here's the truth for us today. God may not give you what you expect, but He gives what you truly need. The miracle didn't start with money. It started with faith and obedience. In the name of Jesus, if God could restore a lifetime of brokenness in one moment, He can still do it today. Don't settle for coins when God is offering complete restoration.